You guys, I've officially made it. Disneyland invited me and my family. They flew us out, got us a beautiful room at the Grand Californian. Here's our room. First night we had a meet and greet with all the Disneyland team and all the other influencers at Splitsville. Look guys, that's me. Hey guys, it's your favorite mom and...
Hi! Korean dad.
We enjoyed dinner and bowling, and then we were off to see the fireworks. They had a VIP section for us, and of course, the fireworks did not disappoint. The next day, we went to Disney California Adventure. Look at how cute! We're having brunch at Lamplight Lounge. We got to take a peek at the private dining area at Lamplight Lounge, and it's right by the pier. So cool. We got to enjoy the park, the new Avengers campus, and saw all the new exciting shows. Eddie and I rode the Guardians of the Galaxy 3 times. And here is my husband making his grand entrance. We even got to make a TikTok with Ant-Man and the Wasp. We ended the night with some drinks and dessert. Our last day. We are at the park before anyone else. So exciting. So magical. This was Olive's first time at Disneyland. She had so much fun. We had Ronto breakfast wraps. And I also had a cold brew with sweet cream and Cocoa Puffs on top. This is so good. Galaxy's Edge is so unreal. We got to build droids. This is part of the new Rise of the Resistance ride. This ride was so freaking cool. It feels like you're in the actual movie. I got the pleasure of meeting some of you.